Right, hello and welcome. Today I'm going to start on these hubs. I've spent my budget on wheel hub bearing kits, 2 of them, and the other thing which I needed is this little tool. Now this was only £15. You smack it with a hammer and it rotates, and you can use that to get the really rusty stubborn bolts out. The only problem is this bit here is not the correct size for my tools. What? I asked you to weld that onto there for me, so I could put my 1/2-inch tools on. You just show me what you just did. I didn't understand that. I read it, but I didn't quite understand it. Just kick some ass. That's super rough. All right, let's fix them. Boom. Okay, I've got no idea why these won't come out. Tell me, what do I do now? What do I do? Gonna let that one soak in for a minute and clean up this one ready. This is gonna take a long time. The other side could be what's holding them in. So I'm going to work on these now, clean them up a bit, and then try again. Try the other one. Do these bits first. Right, I don't have a blowtorch, and I don't have the money for one. I don't have a vice, but I'm not giving up. I want these bolts off. I want at least one off. I may be a dumbass, but I'm a stubborn dumbass, and I don't like losing. I certainly ain't gonna lose to you, you son of a. Yeah, call me crazy, but I'm gonna try using candles to warm up the bolts. Right, so let's figure out how I'm gonna set up these candles. I swear these flipping slugs are everywhere. Right, there we go. I've got one set up there. It works. It does actually work. Would you look at that? Actually come out easy. Here we go. Brilliant. I'm going to try the candle bolt and see if my idea with the candle works. Try a different bolt this time. See if that helps. I just don't think it's getting hot enough, you know. Just not clever. Look at that. I'll have a go at these now. Same technique. I'm going to wire brush it, use a bit of my spray, and then tappy tool. Where is it? There. Tapatha. There we are. Can use that to rotate the screw. I just had a little go with a socket and look at that, lovely and round. So it's round on the inside and it's round on the outside. I'm going to take this one off. This one's definitely in better condition. And it is supposed to be an Allen key, this, look. Let's see if this one will come off. First time for everything. I've never removed an ABS sensor before. The state of it. What do you reckon? Should we have a quick go at that one? I tell you what, if I can get this bolt off with this basic tools, that's pretty awesome. Okay, we can see it now. Let's try Tapatha. That's crazy. Would you believe that worked? How easy was that? Huh? Easy peasy. Tapatha. 15 quid, Halfords. Amazing. Come on, please. Just go. One bolt. Just one. Right. I'm going to try pinning it using the Toyota as a weight. Hold this down. And maybe that can be a makeshift vice. Right, so I'm going to just edge the car forward onto this. And hopefully that will apply enough force to keep this in place so I can do the top two nuts with a bar. Yeah, solid. But that was a miserable failure. Let's try something else. Okay, I've just spotted this drain down the road and it looks like it might work. Yes. Sorry, don't run me over. No. Yeah, I just had to move out of the way from a neighbour because she's leaving. My vice isn't in the best location, but it works. There we go. Now I'm going to take them all off. There we go. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. Oh no. That one wasn't ready. Damn it. Ah, oh, so close as well. I really don't want to lose my end bit down the drain. I knew it. I knew it. I knew I would drop it down there. I just knew it. Sake, you absolute. Oh. Right, my little flashlight's got a magnet on the back. And I've got some string here, so I'm just going to rig this up to fish it out. Come on. Yay! There's something else down there as well. It's one of my bolts, I think. I didn't even know I lost it. Yeah. That's from the wing. Oh well, it's a twofer. Go on, sunshine. Go on, sunshine. Yes. Right, let's get these off. Look at that, hey? It's no wonder they were so hard to get out, is it really? Just cracking that initial. I am worn out. I tell you, this is not easy. It's a wrestling match. A proper wrestling match doing this. But we made it. Didn't even have a blowtorch or a vice. Okay. Just stubbornness. Ready? Okay. Like that. Now, this is the fun part. You get this thing off. Oh my gosh. It's done. There we go, I got one out. So now my plan is to have a go at this one that's sheared. If you have a look in there, look at that. You can see how absolutely been mashed. It's so tight. I just hope I can get it off with these. Let's drill some holes. Yes. I think we're there, you know. I think it's time to try the big boy. Come on, sunshine. There we go. And there it is. The final bolt. Now I can just finish pulling these out and get this off. Wow. Well, that's one way of doing it, I suppose. Wow. How fluffed is that, huh? Every bit but the sensor itself has come out. Has anyone ever seen an ABS sensor that's this freaking screwed? Just, it's fused, it's become a new material. Wow. Wow. Wonder if I've got enough to grip onto there. I need to win awards for this. Hey? Look at that. Hey? Look at that. I'm happy. I'm actually happy. The ABS sensor from hell removed and the bolt from hell. My God, amazing. Oh, nearly forgot this thing. Right, I'm gonna quickly do that. That's what's left of that ABS sensor. How ridiculous is that, huh? What a joke. Right, that's it. I'm all packed up, I think. Yeah, so thanks for watching if you watched this far. Yeah, please do feel free to support the channel, subscribe and stuff. You know, I'd like to get a couple of different cars if I can. There's a cool car that's come up that I can potentially get my mitts on that needs some work, and I would really like to get it. I think it's a good feature classic. Have a nice weekend, everybody. Take care.